welcome back. I finished a new journal. I have used some digital kits from Tracy Fox. Hi Tracy! One is Nature's Epiphany, and I used a few of her embellished mini stuff. I'm going to link everything down into the description box. This is a very big one, I believe. Hardcover. It has 3 signatures. I think 180 pages. This is fabric. I covered this here with lace. Then I made just here a little label. It's closed with the same fabric like the cover is. And here you can see there are a few little charms hanging out of the journals. It's a dragonfly. I have here a feather. Here's a feather and an owl here. This is from the tags from the inside. I added some tabs from the fabric, and now I'm going to show you the inside. Oh, the measurements. Wait. It measures 15 centimeters by a little bit more than 21 centimeters, and the spine is approximately 5.5 centimeters, and in inches, I have an inch ruler. Whee! 6 inches by approximately 8.5, and the spine a little bit smaller than 2.5 inches. So, over frame, so it opens up. So, this is a page from Tracy Fox's kit, and it's with lines, and I don't want it to cover it up, so there's no pocket. The same as here in the background, no pocket because it's beautiful paper. Here's a little bit stenciling, very, very bright. So here we have tags. This is a double tag. It's a single tag. This is paper from the kit, and this is eco-dyed paper, a little bit thicker. Here's one of the little birds embellishments. It's from the kit. Excuse me. It opens up. The little stenciling, stamping. Book page with a resized seed package. Here's the feather. A little bit sewing a tuck. It's again eco-dyed. Here's one of the pages from the kit. There's lots of room for writing in this book. This is not my idea. Thank you, Wendy. A little doily. Book page. Coffee stained. Another book page. Here are again 2 tags. This is from the paper from the kit. I printed a few pages just in 50%. Eco-dyed. This is a paper clip. This is also from Tracy. Edith Holden. Flips up for journaling. A vintage book page. Here's a little collage, or this is eco-dyed paper, and the paper doily with the stamping. This is a little envelope that I had from another kit with a butterfly mini card. It's parchment paper, eco-dyed paper. This is the file folder. And I made from the pages. Edith Holden. A tag from eco-dyed paper, and here's a little paper clip. Let's see. With the tuck. Another little envelope. This I let open. Here, mini journal cards that I die cut from leftovers from the kit. Another page from the kit. The center page, the first. This is so gorgeous. This is a vellum, as printed on vellum, a pocket. Edith Holden, eco-dyed paper. This is so pretty. Parchment paper, eco-dyed paper, coffee stain paper, the book page, little bug stamping, butterfly page, a belly band with a large tag from another kit from Tracy. This is the back side of the page. And here's the inside of the last page from the first signature. I made a mini booklet from leftovers and from the kit, but downsized. This is a slide I made. I have this die cut. I made 6, and in between this is vellum, and I stamped on it with stays on. Excuse me. And another tag I made. And a little embellishment. This is not from Tracy Fox. The second signature. Stamping. This is an envelope. Here are a couple more tags. Gorgeous, gorgeous eco-dyed paper. A tag with the here's the little bead. There's the dragonfly charm. Another tag, and here again this book page covered with eco-dyed paper. The doily. This is an ant. And envelope, millimeter paper, parchment paper, music sheet, and again here a vellum pocket. It's another strip. A file folder. I made this. This is not in the kit, but I made this out of a page. Another circle, tuck with the doily, flips up, paper doily. This is another page from the kit. And this is a happy accident, because the back side I printed wrong and then made a large fabric pocket. And here are some index cards in there. This is a second pocket. And then I printed something from the kit. made it a little bit smaller so you can still write on here. Book page, Edith Holden from the kit. This is another center page. Book page, coffee jet Holden. This is the other side from the Happy Accident. Index card, and here room for writing. Here are two large tags. This is from the trifold kit. Another paper clip. It's another kit from Tracy. This flips up. Music sheet with a seed package. They are not filled. There's another paper clip with a bead dangle. Oh. Another envelope with the little cards. Parchment paper, millimeter paper, yes again. Eco-dyed paper on the backside from this old book page. Can you see it? This gorgeous eco-dyed paper. Here's the other side from the envelope, and it's also filled with some tags and a scalloped circle, little stamping. And this is the third and last signature. Here are again beautiful tags, larger tags, and this eco-dyed tag, a mini collage from the kit, seed package with here a little bead tag, here again a vellum pocket, from the kit. It's pretty. Book page, a little bit of a bug stamping here. Another file folder. Yes, sorry. Book page, vintage book page, backed with eco-dyed paper and this paper doily, and then the other little envelope, parchment paper. Here this is also eco-dyed paper. A large tag and a belly band. This is the center for the signature. This is gorgeous. I love it. When I mentioned Edith Holden, this is from the German version of Edith Holden. They translated it from English to German, but they used the same writing style and the same pictures, of course. Two tags, and here's again a paper clip, flips up. So it's really lots of room for writing. Again the envelope, with the mini cards I made. Here is the owl. I don't know if you can see the mini owl. Tag, book page. This is pretty. Circle with the paper doily clips out. Book page. And here again, a little booklet from Scraps. This tag. And here again, the slide I made. And a little collage. And then is the back side. So, that was this journal. I hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.